Alright, welcome back. On this video we're going to look at another problem that will go along with the first, really all the videos we've posted so far, the first two. In this problem we are provided with two triangles. One triangle called T, and then another triangle called T prime. And these triangles are similar. So the first part of this problem, it says if the perimeter of T is 13 inches, what is the perimeter of T prime? So they're giving us the perimeter of T is 13 inches, and they're asking for the perimeter of T prime. But if you'll notice, they ask us actually the perimeter of T prime in meters. And you'll notice the first triangle is inches units, and this one is meters units, the T prime. So you must be careful with this one. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we want to set up a scale factor. Obviously this T prime is going to be bigger, but we need to figure out how much bigger. So the way we could do that is we could disregard the units and just look at the numeric value. So it goes, T goes from 5 to 60 in T prime. So how does it get from 5 to 60 is our question. So to figure out the scale factor, we would say 5 goes to 60 how? 5 times what is 60? That's going to give us our scale factor. So if we just put a variable in there, that'd be great. We'll just call it x. 5 times x equals 60. So what is x? So we just simply solve for x here. Just cut 60 by 5. So x will equal 12. So the scale factor from T to T prime is 12. Alright, now we know from the very first video that when we're talking about just the perimeter, these linear things, we can just multiply the perimeter of the first one by the scale factor and come up with the perimeter of the new figure. So if we take our 13 and we multiply it by the scale factor of 12, we're going to come up with 156. 13 by 12. 156. This is where we need to be careful though, because the new unit is going to be meters. We're talking about T prime. So the perimeter of T prime is 156 meters. Meters. That's where you need to be careful. Alright, good. So now we're on to area. Area. So the area of T is provided for us. And the area of T is 20 square inches. Alright. So we need to find out what is the area of T prime. That's our next question. Area of T prime. Of course, it's going to be in square meters also. So now if you recall from the very first video, when we have a scale factor and we're talking about area, we have to take that scale factor and square it. So we're going to take 12 squared, and that equals 144. we'll be able to take the 144 and multiply it by the original value, numeric value of t to come up with t prime. So when we take 144, multiply that by 20, we get 2,880. Now this is where we need to be careful because the new unit is meters. So area of t prime, 2,880 meters, square meters, square, because we're talking about area, square meters. 2,880 square meters for the area of t prime. So those are answers for that problem. Alright folks, I hope that helps you out a bit, and we'll see you real shortly in the next video.